going on, YouTube? We back. Man, we've been cleaning it up today, man. I've been daily driving this thing for like a week, so right now we're just trying to get everything cleaned up so we can actually get back to the house, man, and show y'all this package that I got that my mother-in-law picked up for me, because next week we got some changes happening to the lack. So definitely want to show y'all this package when I get to the house. But work, and so we're getting everything cleaned up. Y'all see I tore all the dash out again because I'm gonna have to do some trimming on these speakers or the inside of my trim, because I'm getting it rewrapped anyway. So right now, cleaning everything out, getting it ready, because I'm gonna drive it to my son's football game tonight. I haven't really done too much driving in it anyway, or taking it to the games and whatnot. So I see we just go some of that glass cleaner. I use all the company stuff because I work here, so I might as well be able to use it. And this car always gets hand washed. It don't get any of that, none of that crazy stuff going through a power wash or any of that. We just hand wash this one, so because we got to get sure the top gets dry, make sure I clean out the spokes, all that stuff. All that's got to be clean. But and now I'm finna get to the house, get the car, get it all cleaned up. Trying to get some of this excess little stuff off. I need to find me a new headlight. I don't know what that is, but definitely need a new headlight. So anyway, I'm finna vacuum out all the little crumbs and stuff in here. Get that all vacuumed out. And then we finna head home and show y'all this package that we got. So let me get this done and cut y'all back on once we get to the house. So we finally got back home. Right now we got the car backed in the driveway. Trying to do some stuff, get everything cleaned out so we can get ready to pull the Camaro in and start putting a wrap on it. Because Monday this car will be leaving to get everything done with the paint. So we was able to grab the paint, got it, clear coat, activator, and the reducer, and I got it all for a good price. So hopefully everything turns out right. I'm gonna try to open this up, kind of see what it looks like. So let's see. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so see what it's looking like once we get this cap off. I know it looks kind of dark in here. When you get to the light, it hasn't been stirred either yet, so, oh yeah. See if y'all can kind of see the color is crazy. It matched to the cars. I mean, I know the paint on the car is gonna be kind of oxidized, so that's what we're looking at. And I actually got this from Shawnee Paint, so if y'all need anything in the Oklahoma area, and they ship too, so if y'all need anything, just go to Shawnee Paints and they got y'all, man. They gave me a really good deal on this. Mixed it up, had it ready in like 5 minutes. So we gotta get that done Monday. Pop this back on. I'm trying not to get this on my hands. Take this back on. Well, yeah, we're gonna drop it off and finish getting that done Monday. We're gonna get the hood painted, get these chips corrected. We're gonna paint the hood, the front cowl, and we're gonna paint the tops of this fender, because this is where it's faded the most. Trunk, and he's only gonna paint, because I want to keep my pinstripe, so he's only gonna paint about from the body line across. Touch that up, and then we're gonna actually do the fender right here where the scratch is. We're gonna try to blend this scratch on the fender, get all that finished up. So that'll be done with the paint. And then, like I said, we'll be on to the interior, getting it finished. the dash, getting that finished. Maybe a console and a rear deck. And then we'll get back to the more little small stuff I need to do, just fine tuning and getting the touches right, like polishing out all the chrome along the bottom, touching up all the trim again, really taking my time with it, sanding it, and just trying to find this piece. Man, I've looked everywhere, but what happens is it's the whole trim. So I had our parts guy look it up, and he said it's part of the whole panel. So I'll probably go to a salvage yard or something and just try to pull that off. But anyway, just showing y'all that update on what we're doing with the paint. I gotta get this customer's car out of here, man. They brought me a car that, as you can tell, that's supposed to be coolant, but it's got change fluid in it. Trans cooler gave out, so we got a new radiator, hoses, and right now we're just trying to flush everything out. It's been sitting like that so long, it's kind of just degraded the seals on the cap, so it needs a new pressure cap. I mean, the wipers are bad, everything with this car, but that's for another day. But anyway, we're gonna end this video off, man, and get ready to start the Camaro right here, wrapping it with the pearl white wrap from Cheetah Wrap. So hopefully everything goes right with that. I'm gonna take my time with it, actually take the whole car apart, so show y'all that as we're doing that while we're waiting to get this back from paint. Anyway, y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and we're just gonna keep making it happen for y'all, man, with this car and all the other stuff I got going in my life with cars. So we'll see y'all in the next video.